In this video, we're going to do a quick review of the new model Seedream 5 Lite. So to do that, I have prepared 3 prompts that we're going to use. So let's copy. Let's use Seedream 5 Lite, paste, click this button. Now let's do the same with the other 2 prompts. And now I'm going to wait for the images and then I will show you the result. Perfect. Here we have the images and as you can see, they look really good, but I don't know why these other images that are the other 3 that I have here looks much better. I don't know why, but even when I like these ones, I prefer the ones that were made with Seedream 5 Pro. As you can see here, these images were made with Seedream 5 Pro. So I don't know what you think. Personally, I prefer GPT Image 2 and Seedream 2 Pro. Then I like a lot Nano and Nano Pro. And finally, Seedream 5 Lite. But if you want to try all these models, I wanted to tell you that in Novoads AI, we have an offer for the new users that can try the platform for just $1. So I recommend you to try the platform. And if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section and see you in the next video.